And so it is in this holy moment, on this holy ground, we come together in the one presence, the one power that we know as Spirit, Source, Divine Love, Substance. Beloved, it is a privilege. It is a privilege that we can come together in this space and at this time to commune, to be in communion with the core of the universe, the core of our being. And so, yes, we breathe, allowing, opening our mind, body, spirit, allowing the activity of spirit to move through us with ease, with grace. And as we prepare to go within to the great altar of knowing that we know, we hear the words, we hear the call, we are invited. Be still and know that I am. Be still and know. Basking in the energy, the presence of deep, deep peace, we move forward from this moment, knowing that we are one. We are each and every one, all one. And so it is. Amen.